Today is 5th April 2025. I am at my farm and I am showing you my submersible meter reading. It is 16-17 amperes. Normally it is 15 amperes. So this is the water level. Now approximately 10 bigha we have planted the sorghum jowar. There is a problem with water delivery because we have not planted here, so we have to put extra pipe. My farm hand is working there, so this is the first water. This broken pipe also work is release valve. We have a air valve. Still I am not repairing it because it releases the immediate pressure, so little bit of water wastage, but this is a good practice. So there dog is inspecting how is the work going on, and approximately 40 lines of jowar. So that's it. I'll be getting the 24. All cost is mine, so hope my cow will be satisfied with our efforts. And that's it, folks. Nowadays I'm not running my bike due to the little bit of pain in hand, and otherwise everything is fine. My lemon has been destroyed, so what to do next? I have to check out something concrete plan. That's it, folks.